Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you will find and I welcome you to science class for class 7, and today we are going to learn today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter 5, acids, bases and salts. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so in our daily life we eat many type of food. Okay, many type of food, many type of vegetable, many type of fruits. Okay, yes, so in that there are some basic, there are some acidic in nature, but how we'll know that which are acidic and which are basic? Okay, so for that we have something. Okay, but before that, let's see what are their taste. Okay, what are the taste of different substances? Okay, yes, so if you see the curd, okay, if you taste curd, if it will taste sour. Okay, if you taste the grapes, then it will taste sour plus sweet. If you taste this lemon, it will taste sour. If you taste this oranges, it will taste sour plus sweet. If you eat sugar, it will taste sweet. Okay, if you taste salt, then it will taste salty. Okay, if you taste this amla, then gooseberry, okay, or amla, that will taste sour. If you taste the raw mango, then it will taste sour. If you taste any soap or detergent solution, it will taste bitter. Okay, then if you taste the tamarind, then it will taste sour. And if you also taste this apple cider, then it will taste sour. Okay, so you saw that you have a different taste. Some have a sour taste. Okay, some has a bitter taste, some have a sweet. Okay, some have salty. Okay, yes, so depending upon their taste, we will come to know that they are acidic or basic. How? So the substances which taste sour, okay, जो भी हमें खट्टा लगता है, the substances which taste sour, those contain acid. Those contain acidic substance, or we can say that those are acidic. Okay, those are acidic substance. And those substance like the soap and detergent, or those taste bitter, those are basic. Okay, or the basic substance is found in that. Okay, yes, so the substances in which the acidic substance sourness is found, those are called acidic in nature. Okay, and those which are bitter in taste, those are called basic in nature. Okay, yes, then okay, so yes, but this acid, okay, this is not one thing. Okay, just like you have a subject. Okay, but under this subject you do not have only one subject. Okay, you have many type of subjects like history, geography, science, mathematics. Okay, so similarly in acids also it has many types. Okay, like acetic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, formic acid, malic, okay, and oxalic acid. Okay, yes, so this oxalic acid is found in tomato, this malic acid is found in apple, the formic acid is found in ant sting and honeybees. Okay, so if you have might experience, अगर आपने कभी देखा होगा कि अगर चींटी या मधुमक्खी जब काट लेती है, then it gets swollen there. Okay, वहाँ पे swelling हो जाती है. Okay, because it contain acid. Okay, formic acid. Okay, yes, then tartaric acid is found in tamarind, T for tartaric, T for tamarind. Okay, and plus this tartaric acid is also found in grapes. Okay, yes, then the citric acid is found in lemon and oranges. Then lactic, wherever the lact come, it means the milk. Okay, so the lactic acid is found in milk and milk product. Then acetic acid, again it is found in vinegar. Okay, yes, so these are some acids. These are some acid which are found in animals and plants. Okay, yes, they are natural occurrence. They are found in animals and plants, and that is why they are called natural or organic acid. Okay, yes, but there are some acid which are get from the minerals. Okay, what kind of minerals? Like sulfur, nitrogen, carbon. okay, then phosphorus, okay. Yes, so all these are the minerals, okay, which are found in earth, on earth, in earth, okay. So the acid which we get from these minerals, those are called mineral acid, okay. Yes, so those examples are hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, benzoic acid, hydroiodide acid, and hydrofluoric acid, okay. Yes, so these acid are very strong, okay, they are very strong. If it will fall on in anyone's hand, it will burn that hand, okay. Yes, so whenever you are handling, whenever you are going to use these acids, you should take the guidance of your teacher, okay, then only you should use it, okay. Yes, the next is okay, so the common basis. So we saw that the substances which taste are sour, those are acidic, and the substances which are taste in bitter, okay, those are basic, okay. Yes, so what are some examples of basic, okay. So just like sodium hydroxide, where it is found, it is found in this detergent, okay, and soap, okay. Then calcium hydroxide, it is found in lime water, okay. Then magnesium hydroxide is found in indigestion tablets, okay. Suppose you are sick, your digestion is not being proper, then you go to doctor, so doctor give you a tablet, okay, which is indigestion tablet. So in that table the magnesium oxide is found, okay. Then calcium carbonate is found in limestone. Then sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is found in baking powder. Then ammonia is found in cleaning fluids, okay. Yes, okay. So we saw that when we eat substances, we have some substance, okay. So we don't know whether it is acid or whether it is basic. हमको नहीं मालूम है कि ये एसिड है या बेसिक है, तो हम उसको टेस्ट करेंगे थोड़ा सा, ओके. टेस्ट करेंगे, तो हम अगर वो सार है तो हम बोलेंगे कि वो एसिड है, अगर वो बिटर है तो हम बोलेंगे वो बेस है, ठीक है. But there are substances which are very poisonous, which are very dangerous, okay. If you taste it, the person will get die, okay. So अगर हम लोग इसको टेस्ट करेंगे तो हम लोग will get die, okay. So we cannot taste in each and every substance, okay. हम लोग जितने भी substance है उसको टेस्ट करके पता नहीं लगा सकते, okay. Yes, so for that what happen, for that we have some natural substance, okay. कुछ ऐसे नेचुरल सब्सटेंस होते हैं, ठीक है, कुछ नेचुरल सब्सटेंस होते हैं जिस पे अगर हम लोग एसिड ऐड करते हैं सो इसका कलर कुछ चेंज हो जाएगा, जैसे मान लो ब्लू, ओके. जब इस पे जैसे रेड, ओके. जैसे अगर इस पे बेस ऐड करते हैं तो इसका कलर चेंज हो जाएगा ग्रीन, ब्लू, ओके. यस, सो कुछ ऐसे नेचर में कुछ ऐसे सब्सटेंस हैं जिनको अगर हम लोग एसिड और बेसिस के साथ में ऐड करते हैं तो उनका अलग अलग कलर चेंज होता है, ओके. सो सच सब्सटेंसेस आर कॉल्ड इंडिकेटर, ओके. यस, we'll say in the next slide. So indicators the complex naturally occurring substances, okay, which change their color on coming into contact with acid or basic substances are called indicator, okay. Yes, so some examples of these indicators are like litmus, turmeric, that is haldi, then china rose or hibiscus, or you say gudhal, then you have phenolphthalein, okay. So all these are the indicator, okay, which show some change in color after getting in contact with acid and bases, okay. Yes, then there are some also substances which are neither acidic nor basic, okay, they are neutral, okay. Yes, so the neutral substances means such substances which are neither acidic or basic and which do not affect indicator, and those are called neutral substance, okay. So examples are like distilled water, alcohol, then common salt solution, okay. Yes, so we'll see one by one the all indicators. So we have a litmus or a natural dye, okay, a natural indicator. So this litmus is we get it from the lichen. Okay, lichens are the type of plants which grow mostly on rocks. Okay, they are very tiny, they are very small. Okay, yes, and okay, yes. So how we get this litmus? We extract it. Okay, we get the juice from this plant. Okay, when we get this juice and we add in water, we get a purple color solution, and that is the litmus solution. Okay, yes. So when this litmus solution is added with the acid, its color changes to red. And when this litmus is added to the base, okay, its color changes to blue. Okay, it's blue. Okay, and its own color is purple. Okay, yes. So here also you can see when this litmus solution is added with the acid, its color changes to red, and when it is added to basic, its color changes to blue. Okay, yes. So this is how. So we use litmus paper, you have seen. Okay, so when we dip a strip of paper, okay, strip of टिश्यू पेपर, ओके, ये हमारे पास लिटमस सॉल्यूशन है. जब इसमें हम लोग डिप करते हैं, ओके, जब ये जो पेपर है हमारे पास, लिटमस का जो पेपर है, ओके, यस. सो okay, so how we get this red and blue litmus paper? Okay, so you know that this, when we add this litmus solution in acid, okay, so its color changes to red, and when we added this to the base, its color changes to blue. When we have this paper, okay, white tissue paper, when we dip in this, okay, जब इसको इसमें हम लोग पुट करते हैं, इसमें डिप करते हैं, तो जो ये वाइट जो टिश्यू पेपर है, इसका कलर कैसा हो जाएगा? रेड हो जाएगा. And when we dip in this basic solution, its color will change to blue. Okay, so this is, we can say this is basic and this is acidic. So we get two paper strip, one is red, that is acidic, and one is the blue, that is the basic. Okay, yes. So whenever we want to find any solutions basic nature, अगर हमारे पास कोई सोल्यूशन है जिसका हमें नेचर नहीं मालूम है कि ये एसिड है या बेस है, ओके, सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, दो पेपर लेंगे, स्ट्रिप लिटमस पेपर, एक ब्लू जो कि बेसिक है, एक रेड जो कि एसिडिक है, ठीक है, दोनों लेंगे. सो जब हम लोग इसमें पुट करेंगे तो जो ब्लू वाला है वो ऐसे का ऐसे है, लेकिन जो रेड है वो ब्लू हो गया है. तो इसका मतलब कि ये बेसिक है, जो कि रेड मतलब एसिड को बेस में कर रहा है, ठीक है, यस. वैसे अगर जब एसिड में, अब ये एसिड है, इसमें अगर हम लोग इसको पुट करेंगे तो जो बेसिक वाला है, ये जो ब्लू वाला बेसिक है ना, तो इसका कलर चेंज हो जाएगा, इसका कलर चेंज हो जाएगा रेड में. ओके, यस. और जब इसको न्यूट्रल, मतलब इसमें ना ही बेस है ना एसिड है, तो इसका कलर कुछ नहीं चेंज होगा, ऐसे का ऐसे रह जाएगा, ठीक है, यस. देन टर्मरिक इज ऑल्सो यूज एज अ इंडिकेटर, ठीक है. ओके, सो विल टेक 2 ग्लास, ओके, दोनों ग्लास में विल ऐड सम टर्मरिक, ओके, हल्दी पाउडर, ओके. सो बोथ कलर विल बी इनिशियली येलो, इसका भी येलो होगा, इसका भी येलो होगा, ओके. देन वी विल ऐड सम एसिड. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एसिड? द lemon juice. When we will add lemon juice in this, so we will see that its color will not change, okay. But if you add some spoon of soap solution, detergent solution, its color will change to red brown color, okay, yes. So this turmeric do not show any change in color with acid, but it show change in color with basic, okay, yes. The next is China rose. Okay, so this is the China rose, hibiscus or gudal, okay, yes. So we extract juice from this flower, okay, and we get a colorless solution, okay, yes. So when we add this solution of China rose in acid, okay, its color change to magenta or dark pink color, okay. And when we, this is acid, okay, and when we add this China rose solution into basic, okay, its color changes to basic, okay. So if अगर हमारे पास कोई सब्सटेंस है जिसको हमें नहीं मालूम है कि वो एसिडिक है या बेसिक है, तो इसका थोड़ा सा पोर्शन लेंगे हम और इसको इसमें थोड़े से चाइना रोज सॉल्यूशन में ऐड करेंगे. सो अगर ये ग्रीन हो जा रहा है तो हम लोग को पता चल जाए कि ये क्या है, बेसिक है. और अगर ये पिंक हो जा रहा है तो हमको पता चलेगा कि ये एसिडिक है. ओके, यस. देन नेक्स्ट इज phenolphthalein. ओके, सो इट इज ऑल्सो अ कलरलेस solution, okay, in which if you are adding some acid with the phenolphthalein, okay, एसिड जो phenolphthalein से ऐड करेंगे तो इसके जो कलर में कोई चेंजेस नहीं होता है. ओके, बट व्हेन you add some basic like soap solution in this phenolphthalein, its color will change to dark pink color. Okay, so you can see here that these phenolphthalein and China rose are opposite. Okay, यहाँ पे जब एसिड ऐड कर रहे थे चाइना रोज के साथ में एसिड ऐड कर रहे थे तो पिंक हो रहा था, और यहाँ पे जब बेस ऐड कर रहे हैं तब ये पिंक हो रहा है. ओके, यस. द नेक्स्ट इज ओके, सो जनरल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एसिड. ओके, क्या क्या कुछ खासियत है, क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज है एसिड्स की, हाउ विल व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ एसिड. सो they taste they have a sour taste, okay, yes, and they can burn, they can turn they turn blue litmus जो कि बेसिक वाला है. ओके, सो बेसिक को जब भी हम लोग एसिड से ऐड करते हैं तो वो कैसा हो जाएगा, रेड हो जाता है, और जब भी रेड लिटमस को बेस के साथ में ऐड करते हैं तो वो ब्लू हो जाता है. ओके, यस. सो दिस एसिड टर्न ब्लू लिटमस सॉल्यूशन टू रेड बट डू नॉट अफेक्ट रेड लिटमस, क्योंकि रेड वाला जो है उसमें ऑलरेडी एसिड है, और इसमें अगर एसिड ऐड करेंगे तो वो रेड का रेड ही रहेगा, उसका कलर चेंज नहीं होगा. ओके, यस. देन दिस एसिड डू नॉट अफेक्ट टर्मरिक सॉल्यूशन. ओके, यस. हम लोगों ने देखा था कि जब हम लोग टर्मरिक सॉल्यूशन में हम लोगों ने लेमन जूस ऐड किया था तो उसका जो कलर था वो वैसे का वैसे ही था. ओके, यस. एंड ऑल्सो इन केस ऑफ phenolphthalein, ओके, डू नॉट अफेक्ट द phenolphthalein सॉल्यूशन. ओके, ये वाला, जैसे कि इसमें हम लोग जब एसिड ऐड किए थे इसमें तो इसका कलर जो था चेंज नहीं हुआ था, लेकिन बस बेस में चेंज हुआ था. ओके, यस. देन it turn China rose solution to deep pink. Okay, yes. Then mineral acids such as sulfuric acid, hydrochloric and nitric acid are highly corrosive. Okay, means they can burn, they are very strong acid. Okay, most of the acid are soluble in water, and acid solution in water are good conductor of electricity. Okay, अगर हम लोग डिस्टिल वाटर में if you are add some acid, so it can conduct electricity. Okay, yes. So that's all for today. You have some questions, try to attempt it. Okay, like what are the properties of acid. Okay, so just we see, then what are indicator, then what are some natural indicator, how color of turmeric solution changes with acid and basic. Okay, so we have a turmeric solution, you are going to add acid and you are going to add base. So you know that with acid its color will not change, but when you add basic its color will change to red brown. Okay, yes. Similarly, what is the color of China rose solution when it is changed with the, okay, how color of China rose changes with the acid and bases. Okay, yes. Then how color of phenolphthalein changes with the acid and bases. Okay, so we try to answer it. Thank you so much. Stay fit, stay healthy, and take care. Keep studying. Bye bye.